Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be reading phrases and sentences with a sound. But before that, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be updated with more videos. Are you ready? Here we go! A pan, a pan, a fun, a fun. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. A bat, a bat, a mat, a mat. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Is bad, is bad, is sad, is sad. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Tan, van, tan, van. Man, run, man, run. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Fat cat, fat cat, fat lap, fat lap. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Can tap, can tap, can nub, can nub. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Pat the cat. Pat the cat. Had a nap. Had a nap. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Has a cup. Has a cup. Ham and jam. Ham and jam. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Ham and jam. Ham and jam. John and Sam. John and Sam. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Gab and Tab. Gab and Tab. Tag the bag. Tag the bag. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. A rag bag. A rag bag. At the lab. At the lab. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. The man ran. The man ran. Dan is a man. Dan is a man. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Dan has a tan. Dan has a tan. John has a ton. John has a ton. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. John has a can. John has a can. The man has a can. The man has a can. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. Not is a cat. Not is a cat. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. The cat sat. The cat sat. The rat ran. The rat ran. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Pat the cat. Pat the cat. Pat the rat. Pat the rat. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Dan can tap. Dan can tap. John has nap. John has nap. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. John can tap. John can tap. The cat had nap. The cat had nap. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. The man has a cup. The man has a cup. The man has a map. The man has a map. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Sam has a jam. Sam has a jam. The ram ran. The ram ran. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Pam can job. Pam can job. Pam has a ram. Pam has a ram. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. The man has ham. The man has ham. John has a cub. John has a cub. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Dan is at the lab. Dan is at the lab. John has a knob. John has a knob. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. The man has a cub. The man has a cub. Some can gob and gob. Some can gob and gob. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Dad is a man. Dad is a man. Dad sat. Dad sat. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. John is mad. John is mad. Sam is a lad. Sam is a lad. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. The fat cat is mad. The fat cat is mad. The cat had a nap. The cat had a nap. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. The hat has a tag. The hat has a tag. The bag can sag. The bag can sag. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. Pam has a bag. Pam has a bag. John has a rag bag. John has a rag bag. It's your turn, children. Read it by yourself. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be updated with more videos. Thank you so much. Bye. God bless you.